Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix TikTok not working or not opening on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after this guys, you have to make sure that you are not connected any VPN. If you are connected any VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it. And after this guys, you have to just simply open journal, and from here guys, simply tap on iPhone storage, scroll to below, tap on here TikTok, tap on offload app, and after this guys, reinstall the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working guys, then you have to just simply again go back, and from here guys, simply check your date and time and set your date and time. And after this guys, again go back, scroll it down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap here reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting, then you have to just simply open App Store, and from here guys, simply tap on here search and search for the TikTok app. So guys, after searching TikTok app, you have to make sure that there is no update on the app. So guys, you have to make sure that there is no update. If there is update available, then you have to just simply update the app, and after this guys, you have to just simply restart your device and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.